Hi guys, what's up? This is just a quick video on how to change the host key in VirtualBox. So sometimes you just want to release the mouse or the keyboard and swap to your host machine, and then you just want to go to your VirtualBox machine. You're going to come across that the host key is not working. Maybe because that key in the keyboard is not working, or maybe it's just you don't have the right control key, which happens a lot in new computers, especially Lenovo. So I just want to show you how to change the host key. So we go to File on the top left, then Preferences. So we have two modes, Basic and Expert. So we want to be in Expert, then Input. So we are on VirtualBox Manager, but we want to go to Virtual Machine. So now let's search for host. And as you can see here, I have the left control key as a host one, but I want the right alt because I don't have a right control on my keyboard. So I press OK, and that's it, guys. So now, if I wanna release my virtual machine, either the keyboard or just the mouse, I just use the host key, which is gonna be my right alt in this case. But you just choose the one that works best for you, and that's it, guys.